Hi there, this is Monoar Hossain. So today I just found a website that's called Renew Body and Mind Spa One. So with this business, I have seen they have some booking. I can see here some of the booking, some of the services. Maybe it's look like something healthcare type, body spa, mind spa type website. So if I will go to the services page, this is just a general overview of this business, and we will find out here like as for this business what they can do now, or the current situation of the business. So at the first of all, the main things is maybe they have used a CMS to create their website. Let me find. Yes, On Build Health is a website making company or something look like that. I don't know. But at the first of all, they for this business they have not any logo. For a business, the first look we need a logo. So they have not any logo, because when you will do like as for your website, why you need the logo. Here you can see the favicon. Every website, YouTube have a their own icon, own logo, own favicon. Chat GPT have their own icon. So for this business they need a icon or favicon to see it on browser, and like as on their business card or flyer they can use the logo to create their business identification. And for my business, I have my own business, there I am providing website design services. So I just found this website and I am sharing my experience, or I am giving them some of the tips how they can improve their website. So this is my business, I have my own favicon, I have my logo, and my website is little bit direct, like as there have some of the testimonials, and here I have my team member, my YouTube channel activities, and here is the video reviews that will help me to get my new client. So for this website, if we will inspect like is on this website have not any reviews, like is what they are doing, or is this a ongoing business, they have not any update on their website. So let's go from scratch. At first they need a logo or icon, and then need a domain name. This is not a professional domain name for this business. They obviously need a .com, their website name, and .com domain they need, or any of the extension domain they can use. So like as they can get renew body mindspa.com or something look like that, or any of that. And then they need a professional website for the search engine optimization. Like is if you want to get found your website on Google, then obviously you need a organized website. Like is on your website will have a home page, about page, because when a client will come to your website, then obviously they want to know about you, but they have not any about us the page. And home page obviously need home, about, services, contact us page, because everyone will not do directly the booking things, they want to contact with you. So obviously on this website need to include a contact page or live chat things, or they can do a WhatsApp things to get the instant message. Like as I am interested to get a services from this website, so obviously I will have some of the question before the booking. So they can use a contact page to get the code from the customers, and they can include their phone number as well to get the direct call, and they can use WhatsApp as well to get the message from the new customer. They have some of the question, so obviously need to include a contact page. And booking page, you can use any kind of booking system to do it. And on the services page, this is not a good organized website, because for every services like a body work 10 minutes, you can display it look like that way, but if you will include a picture on it, then the services will be looking more professional, and it will be easy for the visitor to understand what is the services, like as the couple message. So if I will copy it and if I will search it here, if I will go to the images, then I can see here is the services, the picture. So for every services they can include a picture with like as you can see, when I click here, if I want to get this services, there have not any button to get the services. So obviously with this cart they need to include a button here to click book now. So if anyone will be a customer, they can click the button and they can do the booking things. So yeah, these things is missing from this website. And as well as here we'll have the menus, home, about us, services, and they can include a FAQ as well, like as some of the general question answer they can give automatically. So the general question that have from the customer side, they can get the answer on this website. And as well as after done the website, obviously we need to make sure website is very faster. So I am using Wix for my all of the client, because Wix gives us very fast loading website, and there have booking, e-commerce, and all of the functionalities. So my recommend will be we use Wix to do the websites. And if I will go to my Wix dashboard or my portfolio, I have done a lot of website from for my clients. Here is the portfolio. If you will go, I have just listed some of the websites there, but I have done a lot of website because I am doing the website since 2017. So you can see here some of the recent website I have done for my client. This is the same kind of website that we are talking now, and this is e-commerce. This is also a services website. This is e-commerce, this is e-commerce, this is a general phone repairing website, and this is a robotic website, this is a consultation website. So yeah, on this services website need a lot of changes to do it, to make it more professional and a complete business website. And after done the website, obviously you need to do the search engine optimization to get found your website on Google. And as well as after done that, you can do the social media promotion, then you can generate more client, or you can do the Google ads or meta ads to reach your local area to get more client on your office, or to get more client for your business. So yeah, for this website, this was my general overview of this website. How can we improve this website? So for your website, if you want to get a free overview from me, how can you improve your website, you can get found a link to my video description. You can just knock me, I can give you an idea how can you improve your website and how can you improve your visibility on Google or the social media. So that's it for now. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Bye for now.